Double down or split? Double down or split? Looks like it's double down, but what would you choose? Hey internet, your old friend Dominic here from AmericanCasinoGuide.com. In my opinion, doubling down and splitting pairs are the two most exciting options in Blackjack. Not only do they enhance your chances of winning, they also add a new layer to the game. Sadly, not all the casinos allow these strategies, so make sure to check beforehand. And in my opinion, any casino that doesn't let you split or double down is not a casino you should be messing with.
Just get out.
If you haven't watched our previous Blackjack videos already, I recommend watching those first, as they will help you understand this episode just a little bit better. So what does doubling down actually mean?
Pay attention.
Let's say you've been dealt the first two cards and you think to yourself, one more card and I could win this hand for sure, but only if I could double my wager. Well, guess what? You can, but you will be dealt only one additional card and you won't be able to hit after that. Essentially, doubling down is easy, but the main thing is knowing when to do it. So when it comes to doubling down, I always decide to do it when I'm holding a hard 11. And that's because no additional card will make me bust. I also like a hard 10 unless the dealer is showing a 10 or an ace themselves. The rest of the hands are too risky because either you can bust if you have more than 12, or you're gonna go too short if you have less than 10. On another note, always check the dealer's up card. A weak card like 5 or 6 might increase their chances of busting, putting you at a strong advantage. So let's move on to splitting pairs. When dealt two cards of the same value, you can split them into individual hands and play them separately. This comes with the price of having to match the bet of your original wager on the newly formed hand. When it comes to splitting, I always split any aces and eights. Aces gives me a higher chance of forming not one but two strong hands, and eights help me avoid a weak and difficult to play hard 16. Now when it comes to fives, I avoid them like the plague, as they leave me with two lower value hands and increase my chances of busting overall. 2s, 3s, 6s, and 7s should only be split situationally when the dealer is holding a weak up card. And 9s and 10s are far more nuanced because considering you have an 18 to 20, you should logically stand. But if the dealer's up card is weak, like 2 to 6, it might give you a chance to win big if the dealer goes bust. As always, avoid these unnecessary risks and focus on having fun.
Focus on that.
So guys, that's it for today. Do you have any bad experiences splitting 9s? Let us know in the comment section down below. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.